Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a huge collective makeup haul. Now, disclaimer, I have used some of these products before doing this haul because I was collecting things up until I could do one big haul. So lately this year I haven't been going out and getting a ton of things like at once with one big purchase. I grabbed the things that I'm interested in and that I think I'll actually get some use out of. So I have used some of the products that I'm going to be showing you in today's video, which is nice because I saved the packaging and I can kind of tell you my thoughts on all of them, or most of them. I haven't used all of them. That way you guys can kind of know like my experience with them and how I feel about them before you guys buy. I used to love watching haul videos here on YouTube, but sadly I don't see a lot of them anymore. I guess they're not as popular anymore, but I enjoy them and I enjoy watching them, so I figured I'd film this video for you guys today. So if you want to see everything that I purchased, then just keep watching. Okay you guys, so I have this huge box that we're about to go through. I had to cut this side off because it had my address in it for the thumbnail that I did. If you're like, why is that off? I got a ton of Complexion products, so I think I'm going to start out with that first and just like grab and talk about the products as we go. So first thing I picked up is the Laura Mercier Radiance Foundation Primer. I've heard a ton of good things about this from so many different influencers and makeup artists alike. And so I really want to get my hands on it. I'm pretty sure this isn't new, but it's just getting like hyped up recently. It leaves a nice, subtle, like dewy glow to your skin, and it also is kind of moisturizing too. I like a primer if it's going to be radiant to kind of moisturize my dry skin as well. So I'm really happy that I picked this one up. Here's what the packaging looks like. It says you get 1.7 fluid ounces, so you get a ton of product in here, which is amazing as a makeup artist who works on clients. And I have used this and I love it, so I do plan on using it on my clients. But typically a foundation is 1 fluid ounce, so like I said, you're getting a ton of product in here. It says Foundation Primer Radiant is a lightweight water-based gel that creates the perfect canvas for makeup application and provides a sheer, healthy glow to the skin. Love that. So yeah, I picked this up and I really like it, and I got it from Sephora. The next product I picked up is the Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops, and these are so good, let me tell you. I picked these up on recommendation from Karen, I Love Sarah E on Instagram and YouTube. So this would be good for girls that self-tan and don't self-tan their face, because it does give you a really nice like all over bronze on your face, as well as adding sun protection. Or girls like me, I've tanned naturally in the summer and I've lost a ton of it, but I exfoliate my face so much that my face is lighter than the rest of my body. So on no makeup days where I want to kind of look more even, this doesn't have any coverage at all. You can use it as a primer. I've seen people use it as a primer. I don't know how well it's going to make your makeup last, but it just kind of evens out my skin tone, any discoloration I may have, and gives me a nice like little glowy bronze. So I've really been enjoying this product, and Drunk Elephant is so amazing and has such amazing ingredients. It is a splurge, but you only have to use like the tiniest bit if you're just using it on your face at a time, so I do think it's worth the money, and I'm glad I picked this up. The next product I picked up is the CoverFX Mattifying Primer, and I thought this was so cool because it has like acne treatment in it. It has 1% of salicylic acid, which is awesome. I love that. I love skincare and my makeup. It just makes me feel better throughout the day. I actually have not tried this, but I've been loving mattifying primers lately, even though I typically do have dry skin and we're going into the fall and winter. Just when I wear my makeup, it's like for long periods of time. It's like the 8 hours I'm at work, or when I go to do something after work, like I need my makeup to last all day. And I will get oily in my T-zone, just like the normal stuff. I'm kind of like more leaning towards dry combo skin type actually. I use different primers in different areas. So I use like a mattifying one in my T-zone where I do get oil buildup throughout the day, especially like right here on my nose. And that's why I like smoothing primers and things like that. Even though that used to not be my jam, I'm all about them now. So I'm really excited to try this out. Let's open her up. So it has really pretty light green packaging, and the packaging is matte just like the primer is. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out so I can let you guys know my thoughts. Then we have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. It's always, I've said that like 5 times already. I just can't get it right. But it says that it stays all day and night. And so I have used this one before. and I've been waiting to use it in a video for you guys. Somehow I matched my perfect shade, which that never happened, and I ordered online, which is so crazy. I actually did get this during the Sephora VIB sale. No, it came out, it launched after that, but I'd gotten a $25 off thing at Sephora, so I felt okay purchasing this because this is a little bit expensive, more luxury as well. But it is a beautiful foundation. It's more towards the matte side, which is what I've been personally loving lately. And it really does last a long time. I can wear it through my 8-hour shift and it'll still look so nice, and I won't have a lot of oil buildup, but I'm also not dry and patchy and flaking off. So yeah, this is a really nice foundation. And if you're in the mood to like splurge, if you have like a special occasion coming up, like a wedding or like homecoming or prom, then I definitely recommend this one. So this obviously isn't high-end or from Sephora, but I picked this up while I was grocery shopping at Meijer because I always happen to somehow fall into the makeup section. I don't know how it happens, but it always does. This is the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition Foundation. All Day Shine Free Foundation. And the packaging is really cute because it looks like it's trying to mimic like a Pat McGrath vibe. I don't know. But I haven't tried this yet actually. I want to do a drugstore tutorial with this. But I'm really excited because again, it's a matte foundation. I've been into more of the matte natural finish foundations and then kind of like not setting my face. And then if I do have any glow come through, it doesn't look as bad. So yeah, I'm excited to try this, and let me know if any of you guys have tried this. And also let me know some more drugstore foundations because I've been really into like drugstore lately, even though I just hauled a lot of this high-end makeup, but I've been really enjoying the drugstore products that I already do have in my collection. By the way, I'm shade Tan Cool in this foundation, and in the Charlotte Tilbury, I'm 7.5, just in case you guys want shade references. Next, I picked up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder, cat hair of course, and I got mine in the shade Vanilla. So I actually really love this powder, and I like that when I use a concealer that is more of my skin tone and I put this powder under my eyes, if I'm really going full glam, it'll kind of brighten me a little bit. It's super smoothing, and I have like a big problem with putting powder on my under eye and then all of a sudden getting like a spot where it won't stick, or a spot where my foundation will come off, like right in this area where I'm like almost my driest. And this powder doesn't do this to me. It's really smoothing, it's really nice. I like to apply this with a sponge because it just makes it that much more smooth. So there's 29 grams of powder in here, and I like that as soon as, I don't want to spill it, but you can kind of see how big it is. And when I bake or when I'm cleaning up underneath my contour or bronzer, especially when I'm doing client work, I want to be able to grab the powder easy and fast and not have to like mess with it. So this is really nice that the sifter is that big and allows you to have that much powder, in my opinion. But yeah, I've really been liking this one. So next we have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, and this is actually a repurchase for me, but I included it because it's in a different shade. I've been seeing a ton of celebrity makeup artists use this to set the under eye, which I was really worried that it would be too heavy for me. Let me go ahead and open it. You guys have seen this on my channel before, but the packaging, everything Charlotte Tilbury is so beautiful. And then you open it up and it has like a cute little star engraved and Charlotte's name. But I got this in the shade 2 Medium, and I use this for my under eye. And I really enjoy it. It doesn't look cakey, it keeps me matte all day, and it really does smooth me out even more than like a loose powder like the Anastasia one. But it's also lighter than the MAC foundation powder that I use all the time that I can't Studio Fix. It's also lighter weight than the MAC Studio Fix powder that I've also seen people use under their eyes, so I like that about it. And it's really finely like milled and then pressed in there. I don't know, it's just an experience when you use this powder. Again, this is kind of pricey, but if you're willing to splurge, if you have like a special event coming up, I definitely recommend it because it does make a difference in your makeup. Then we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Liner in the shade Black. I love the purple matte packaging. It's so cute. I actually used this on Saturday. I think it was Friday when I went out. It lasted all night and I was sweating pretty heavily. So it's a really nice eyeliner. It's a really easy application. The only thing is, and I'll show you in like a little clip how it swatches and it applies, the tip is a little thick. It's not really that fine. I don't know how to explain it, like to get a really sharp flick. It is super black and super matte. It's really nice, and Anastasia, for being a high-end brand, isn't too expensive, and I love the brand itself, so I definitely recommend this. And then the next thing I picked up was honestly an impulse buy. I hadn't been looking at this, but I've been looking for something like this for a long time, at least the brushes. This was on sale at Sephora. This was originally $24, and I always make sure to go to the sale section and see if there's anything I've been wanting or looking at there before I buy full price somewhere else, if I'm shopping on like Ulta or anything like that. This was only $12, so I picked it up. So this is the bowl, and it actually tells you how much like product you're putting into the bowl, which is really nice. It's nice and silicone, so everything's gonna wash off really nice. It's like nice and flimsy and silicone-y, so it's really gonna get that product nice and packed onto your skin. And this one's just shaped different, so it's nice to have two, because I like to, just like when I prime, I like to mask different areas of my face with different masks. So more of like an oil controlling one and a pore cleansing one, and then more of a hydrating one on the outer parts of my face. So yeah, this is gonna be really nice. And then of course you have your typical little facial brush, little fan brush. Really nice and soft, so it's gonna be really nice. This is a nice little bag too. I like bags where you can kind of see what's in them for like to put your toothbrush in, or like small little toiletries. So yeah, this was like a good deal. Really cute. So I picked up a couple of skincare items. The first thing I picked up was the Origins Clear Improvement Charcoal Honey Mask to purify and nourish the skin. So I'm so excited for this. It's brand new, but I've heard a lot of good things, and I love these types of masks. Let's see. So this gentle purifying mask with bamboo, charcoal, and golden wildflower and fermented honey deeply detoxes while nourishing skin, gently draws out deep-dwelling pore cloggers, impurities, and debris, leaving skin feeling comfortable, clean, clear, and conditioned. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. I've never tried this or opened it. I want to smell it really bad. And I love Origins. I love like their ginseng line. It's like really nice dark green metallic, which is cool. It smells like honey. It smells so good. It's giving me flashbacks to cosmetology school, because we used to have like a honey scrub we'd use all the time. I'm really excited for this, and Origins has really nice high quality ingredients in their products as well. And you also get 2.5 fluid ounces, so that's really good as well. So I like to pick up little sheet masks from Sephora as well, and they always have a buy 3 get 1 free, like most of the time, 90% of the time I've been in there. The one I always pick up is the Rose Ultra Moisturizing and Brightening. I really love this one. This one I get all the time. And then the Perfecting and Brightening Pearl Face Mask. So I really like these two, but I decided to try 2 new ones. So this is the Pineapple Face Mask. So this is the Pore Perfecting and Smoothing. Like I said, I've been having a real problem with my T-zone area lately. And I've been noticing blackheads kind of trickling from like right here, and I've never really had that problem. I need to go get like extractions and a facial and everything. I haven't done that in forever. I'm really like low maintenance, which I need to be more high maintenance with my skincare, but I just haven't had the time. So I'm really excited to try this one as well. And then the last one I picked up, I think LJ actually picked this one out for me because he was with me in Sephora in stores. Some of this I ordered online, some of them I picked up little bits and pieces in stores. It was so funny how he said aloe. I can't remember how he said it, but it cracked me up. But this is the aloe vera mask, so it's quenching and replenishing. So I love me some aloe, so I'm excited for all of those masks as well. Okay, you guys, and that completes this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below any new products that you've picked up or products that you're interested in. The 26th, which I think this video might go up on the 26th, it's currently like midnight of the 24th. I really want to get the new Anastasia. It's one of their Norvina volume palettes, one of the more professional palettes, the orange one with all the butterflies on it. I saw it like 5 minutes ago when I went to go eat really quick, and it just looks so stunning and so up my alley, and the other two haven't been my cup of tea, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, let me know what you guys are into right now. I love you guys so much. Before you leave, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you did enjoy, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell to be notified every time that I upload so you never miss an upload, and please, please, please come chat with me in the comments because I love talking to you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!